Hi, this is Calvin C, and what you're seeing is a metal case that I designed for magicians. You put a turtle in this Chinese tortoise, and it is very difficult to open it without knowing how. So you can't just force it open. It is very difficult to open it if you don't know where the leverage is. So this is where, with a screwdriver, you put it right here, the neck, and you twist, then it opens. In ancient Chinese culture, they actually do with the cracks on the shell, and they put copper coins. They put copper coins in the shells to shake them, and this is like a crystal ball for Chinese people, okay? So don't just go away and just print the file out, because it will not work with plastic. Overnight, you'll find that the locking mechanism will fail just like that. And the metal case, if you print it out with stainless steel, it will last for a little bit longer, perhaps 2 nights. Then after 2 nights, it will not lock as well. But how does this one lock so well after a month? This is a secret. You need to set it up. First, I need to open it to show you how. You need a glue gun. What you need is a glue gun, and you squeeze some glue in this gap, in this slot, okay? So make sure it is filled out entirely on the outer rim. Wait for it to dry and cool down. When you put them, the two pieces together, you find out you can't even squeeze them together. This is normal. So what you're going to need is a metal clip and a hair dryer to blow it along this gap for 1 minute. Then you're going to squeeze it, and then it will close on one side. Of course, if you have 2 clips, you could save yourself some time, or you can repeat the process by clipping it here and blow it with a hairdryer until they fit together. Wait for the whole thing to cool down, and you'll find that it locks very well. It locks very well like that. Okay. So if you are interested, invest on a metal case, invest on some filament that allow you to, and a printer that allows you to print with metal, stainless steel, or aluminum, then you can have this, just like card magicians have their cases. You can have a tortoise for your turtle. Comment, like, and share. Thank you.